I will give you shortly information about the SOCAR Türkiye operation. SOCAR Türkiye belong to SOCAR State Oil Company, Republic of the Azerbaijan. Many investment in Turkey. Firstly, 18 company investments belong to SOCAR. Refinery and petrochemical sites largest, and the other largest is the pipeline and gas distribution, very big in Turkey. Refinery and petrochemical sites, Turkey in İzmir, Ali Ağa, the first integrated private energy zone investment in Turkey. You can see Turkey is very famous city, İzmir. And petrochemical sites, approximately 55 historical. We has a production power strategy importance to Turkey because 12% the capacity needs the Turkey's. After the new plant, STAR refinery is the new plant approximately 4 years ago established. Capacity 12 million tons, very big company in Turkey. And the other is SOCAR storage. Storage is the capacity largest of Asian region storage terminal in Turkey. After the SOCAR Türkiye is a very important quality system. Therefore, a lot of the certification you can see. ISO asset management system, 2 years ago we has this one certification. Today presentation topics, firstly SOCAR Türkiye APM digital transformation journey, asset management strategy, digital integration, reliability application and benefits, SmartSignal digital twin predictive analysis, mechanical integrity, and digital roadmap asset domain. Firstly, transformation journey. Petrochemical site is the very experienced, but unfortunately traditional maintenance mentality. Years ago, gap analysis with Stork company. Stork company, as you know, very big company, consultant. After the started the APM project, collaborate GE company and Stork company together. We started. STAR refinery, 2019 started in Turkey. After the STAR organizational integration, the refinery and petrochemical integration the system, because the belong to SOCAR very benefit. So after the finish the project, 1 year later, we have a ISO certification, very important. APM phase 3 is the other. We started the project e-permit, APM integration this year, new digital project, a lot of investment we have. Our project topics, the generally STAR refinery and petrochemical site. You can see Stork, GE, and Veritas together. We started the project. Project is the step by step. Firstly, creative policies, asset strategy, plan. After the SOCAR asset management strategy equal the triangle because performance, risk, cost optimization balance. Very important. So cost is very important, but risk is very important. So performance maximizes output, but risk assessments very important. This model is the SOCAR Türkiye asset strategy model. Asset strategy model, asset register, all SAP system. All SAP system, equipment, specification, all of them in SAP system. We started the critical assessment. Critical assessment, according to compliance, is the very important regulation and international regulation and governance regulation according to critical analysis. After critical analysis, for critical analysis we have this one is the very high, orange is the high, yellow is the normal, and green is the low. So after the critical analysis equipment score very high, we started according to taxonomy type, RBI, safety instrument system, RCM, different group we project. After the result of the analysis, maintenance strategy, run to failure, vibration analysis, a lot of spare parts management and overall maintenance group. We defined the system. This one is the blue APM system. We use the APM system. After the asset strategy optimization, after the asset strategy implement SAP system, work maintenance task plan, working plan. Working plan is my aims, SOCAR Türkiye aims purpose is continuous improvement. So this continuous improvement, PM task and execution maintenance plan and efficiency schedules, KPI and trending monitoring system. But unfortunately, root cause analysis using PROACT or 5Y. After the plan, maintenance plan, execution do, maintenance control to KPI monitoring, smart KPI monitoring, and action. We have SOCAR Türkiye risk matrix is 5 items: financial, HSE, privilege over environment, and reputation. SOCAR strategy management goals. We started the project. This was reactive and planned. Petrochemical site, reactive and start new company, but planned. Together, we started reactive and planned. First goal is proactive phase. Final goal is the maintenance excellence. Maintenance excellence is the very, very important best performance, as you know that. Pillar of the SOCAR ACM, central to HSE process safety. Very, very important, and asset compliance, reliability, cost, efficiency, innovation and improve is very, very important. A lot of data, a lot of knowledge. We management only digital system. APM is very good system for us. Very, very good. This system we use to analyze everything, analyze system. SAP system is, you know, the SAP system. In addition to the other predictive maintenance and historian data integration, the all system, two ways integration. Asset critical analysis step by step, as you know. After the asset score, unmitigated risk score is after we started the analysis. Reliability RCM. For example, very, very important, the other side, we started the RCM. Normally, very high critical equipment specific maintenance strategy defined. Specific defined, the specific period according to mean time between failure, according to reliability score, optimist care, maintenance strategy. Normal or low, low is basically operator round operation group, generally operation group made. Base care and standard care is the maintenance group responsibility. This asset strategy for flow, as you know, a lot of analysis is analysis, reliability, process safety, integrity, analysis, optimization, and budget, capacity, cost benefit, risk, opportunity, equipment criticality, the combining the maintenance strategy. We only one strategy we defined. After the asset strategy implemented and SAP system work order, PM work order, root cause analysis, production loss analysis, bad actor is analysis expecting events. Root cause analysis, we use the APM system. Normally, according to our procedure, risk analysis. Every event we made the risk analysis, small or big, no difference. So, if very high risk with product method, responsibility, this one is the only reliability group, moderate. Facilitator only reliability group. The other 5 is the small bad actor is the root cause. Responsibility maintenance group or operation group or process group. Reliability, not only reliability RCM analysis, the other analysis. Sometimes is the reliability, availability, maintainability, RAM analysis. Yesterday, G Group explained the new improved development very good. So, therefore, the case, reality case, as you know, the integration, the refinery and petrochemical site. So, petchem size is the 4 boiler has, but 2 boiler working and the other 3rd boiler standby working. The other overall maintenance, generally, mentality. Start site is the 2 boiler. 1 boiler is enough, boiler capacity is enough. The other standby working. So, firstly, reliability analysis. We started the reliability analysis. We used the GE APM solution Meridian. Firstly, parallel system. After the creator new scenario. After the scenario, system very good. So 2 boiler is enough. 1 boiler is this standby. Petrochemical site and refinery site, it is enough 1 standby. So approximately $2 million per year. This analysis result of. SOCAR, all project risk analysis and budget analysis and after the cost benefit analysis, financial department by the SOCAR financial department. If your project is the feasible, we started HAC except for the HAC. Asset life cycle cost as the analysis, we started to improve the asset life LCC analysis, life cycle cost analysis, very important. As you know, equipment from the design to obsolescence, scrap. We monitoring the all process. So we use the APM asset life solution. Our process, a lot of trigger, bad actor, root cause analysis, RAM, thickness monitoring, mock, a lot of system. We started the life cycle cost. Life cycle evaluation, the real case, 3 pumps company for purchase. Life cycle cost is the very important total cost mentality, not equipment cost mentality, capex cost plus operational cost combined. Energy saving is weight is very high, HAC is very high weight. So after the calculation, the system as implementation 0.65 million potential opportunity occurred. Very nice. You can see. Policy designer. Policy designer not only RBI system, other system. SOCAR Türkiye policies designer all module we used. Generally root cause, production loss, a lot of system. As you know, the policy designer, hydrocracker, centrifuge compressor, seal condition, check it, for example. Production loss analysis we used, normally SOCAR is the GE Meridium, all modules we used normally. So production loss analysis very, very important. After the production, if production lost, directly root cause analysis module with the policy. APM very important, but top management say the benefit. What is the benefit? Very high cost. But you can see petchem site is the availability 19.9, 19.2.1 increase. 4 years. The same with Star Refinery, 11 capacity, now 13 million capacity now. Very high availability. And this one is the reactive maintenance and reduction HSE, reduction inventory cost, and reduction total maintenance cost, increase availability, increase employee. Real case, the problem normally not only total system, sometimes equipment taxonomy, for example, cooling fans, and for example, centrifuge pumps. You can see ROI is very, very benefit high. SOCAR Türkiye system designer, the redundant equipment management system, digital system. So as you know, the main equipment, normal, for example, pumps is the main equipment 3 months working, and standby pump is the, according to procedure, 1 month. We check it after the report. They send the email, responsibility operation group or maintenance group to send the email. Why main pump is working? Why is standby not working? Yes, SmartSignal twin. Approximately 2 years ago we started. As you know, yesterday GE very, very good explained the SmartSignal and improvement development. I think very, very good. We apply. Very happy. SOCAR Türkiye is the very, very happy SmartSignal. So we started the pilot, 5 equipment we started, but the project benefit cost result, we decided making the expansion. First expansion is the 13-piece equipment, and after the other expansion we started petrochemical site and the other equipment, critical equipment. You can see SmartSignal coverage, duration, and alert, open the case meetings. Everything is alert. We evaluation the predictive maintenance department evaluation and the meetings, operation group, and if necessary project group and maintenance group together we decided. For example, centrifugal compressor, a very critical compressor, very, very early detection with this SmartSignal. So failure mode effect analysis, impact and risk. We calculation the risk 20 years to very, very years. SmartSignal value and potential benefits, you can see $115,000.
Okay, supportive modules for IOV monitoring also we use. Policy designer, asset health and query foundation modules. That these modules are used by us in Meridium. Mechanical integrity applications, risk-based inspections carried out by plan assessment, collect data, risk assessment process, define mitigation actions, implement mitigation actions. Criticality analysis results, define scope, define resources and time required, collect data, identify and gather data sources, corrosion root analysis, identify RBI components, risk assessment, probability of failure and consequence of failure analysis, mitigation actions that we use, create RBI recommendations, plan, define TMS, implement mitigation actions. We can say this is IOV, and implement action plan. This is our example of corrosion loop for aromatic plant. We draw in the PNID and PFD all of the corrosion loops, and we saved these corrosion loops. If need, we revise them. We are dividing the equipments part by part and define the related corrosion damage mechanisms. And IOV monitoring, you can see our pH and H2S monitoring parameters. If same parameters, between certain parameters, we are taking actions. Stop operating performing inspection, normal operation, or other actions. And IOV alarm notifications sent by us with email day by day, and we are screening these values in the dashboards every day. And other second important module is inspection management module. Inspection management helps us to plan, manage inspection results, define inspection interval and scope. Main outputs are the inspection reports to be filled in the field, and record inspection results desk. Over the inspection tracking, temporary repairs and leakage tracking, and PSV prep-up test results tracking dashboards are our main dashboards. This is the plant, and this is the over the inspections dashboard values. Temporary repairs and leakage graph according to the plans also here. PSV prep-up results also tracking very closely. And we have condition monitoring locations management procedures. This procedure defines minimum locations that we collect thickness measurements. And TML piping tag, piping circuit numbers are also screening and monitoring closely in the main dashboards in the Meridium. For petchem sites, 650,000 TML points have just been created and their measurements have been transferred to the system. These points are monitored for remaining life, and these numbers is also going up every day. GE APM allows filtering according to accessibility, installation presence with the aid of this information. Inspection planning would be done considering on-stream inspection possibility or shutdown requirement. We are filtering this TML by their accessibility installation, temperature or other pressure. By filtering this TMS, we are planning their measurement time and measurement cost. And remaining life monitoring, corrosion rate monitoring. After evaluating TMS, we have corrosion rates, and these corrosion rates are shown in this dashboard. Remaining life chart based on corrosion elements. Also, we have different remaining life chart based on minimum pressure design thickness and structural thickness, whichever greater. We have also, rather than corrosion rate monitoring, based on the corrosion elements, we have also minimum pressure design thickness and structural thickness, whichever is greater. And this is Barlow structural remaining life thickness locations screening.
Hello everyone, I am Talha from SOCAR Türkiye Digital Transformation Department. Thank you for having us here. As SOCAR Türkiye Digital Transformation Department, we are managing digital transformation projects with technical teams like Tamer Bey and Erkut Bey and other teams. We are managing this kind of digital projects as 8 different verticals. Most popular one is, of course, industrial robotics, physical robotics, and drones. We are using this technology in lots of projects. And second most popular one is image processing and video analytics, and maybe integrated digital experience project. I will explain on last slide. Of course, condition monitoring and predictive analytics is the most critical vertical for us because SmartSignal and APM runs here. And there's some HSE projects, HSE-based projects like RTLS, real-time location system. We are tracking people or vehicle. And also video analytic projects is based for HSE. Work for digitalization and mobility section has included electronic work permits and work managers projects. And our last and newest area is additive manufacturing. This year we made some pilot with metal 3D printing to replace our spare parts with new produced additive one. I will give some detail for some of them. Work for digitalization side, electronic work permit and work manager is very common projects that we use all over the site. How it's possible? It's possible with private LTE technology. We implemented this technology previous year, and all the tablets and telephones can communicate over private LTE technology. Communication is very important for this area, you know already. Like SmartSignal, we have lots of rotating equipment-based predictive analytic softwares and tools. And also, there's some projects for static equipments as well. For example, steam trap monitoring. Maybe you made it already. We are doing that. And with process mining side, we have an internal data team, which they can collect data from site and create some values in different areas. On left side, this is from our site. This HSC application detects this situation and alert us. We will take caution. If we didn't record this, we will never know this. And on the right side, it is this video recorded inside the furnace. It is flyable to drone, take visuals, and our inspection team takes these images, videos for using on their values. Sometimes maybe they are implementing them to do APM. On this picture, takes a thickness level of furnace coil. It's inside the furnace. All of oil and gas company has furnace. And this is our legged robot. We are using it for security reason. We made pilot, but maybe after a year, we will use continuously this kind of robots on our site. All these technologies takes lots of data, and APM and Meridium is the most popular data processing site for our daily operation. This is the very new project for us. You know, electrical high voltage maneuver is not very common, but your operator should be ready every time. When you face this bad situation, your operator should make some operation without any fault. In this case, we made it in VR scenario inside the VR, the exact same with our site. Normally, our operator periodically reads some procedures, but in this case, they are doing that with VR in periodically. We think they are ready for this case. In emergency, they will not make fault, and we are extending it with UPS maneuver or another this kind of projects.